The magical map of Hungary. In a cozy little house lived a sister and brother named Ildiko and Bence. One rainy afternoon, they found an old wooden box. Inside was a beautiful map of Hungary. As Bence touched it, the map began to glow with a soft, golden light. Whoosh! The room swirled with colors, and suddenly, they were standing by a wide, flowing river. In front of them was the biggest, most beautiful building they had ever seen. "The map says this is Budapest, and that's the Parliament building," whispered Ildiko in awe. As they watched, a magnificent bird with feathers like bronze flew down and landed on the highest dome of the Parliament. "It's a turul," Ben shouted, remembering the stories their grandfather told them. The mythical bird seemed to be waiting for them. The turul bird soared into the air and flew across the river, leading them over a strong, old bridge made of stone and iron. It led them up a high hill to a grand castle. "This is Buda Castle," Ildiko read from the map. "Kings and queens lived here long ago." The map glowed again, this time a sparkling blue. The city faded away, and they found themselves on the shore of a giant lake. The water stretched out as far as they could see, like an ocean. "Welcome to Lake Balaton, the Hungarian Sea," said a cheerful voice from the map. Bence laughed and ran into the shallow water, splashing happily. The sun was warm, and the water was cool. They felt like they were on a wonderful holiday, far away from the rainy day they had left behind. With another golden glow, the scenery changed completely. Now, they stood on a huge, flat plain that seemed to go on forever under a giant sky. In the distance, they saw strange and beautiful cattle with very long, curved horns. A man in a flowing blue shirt and wide trousers rode towards them on a beautiful black horse. He was a chikos, a Hungarian horseman. He smiled and tipped his hat. "This is the Puszta, the great Hungarian plain," he said. The chikos was very kind. He let Ildiko gently stroke his horse's soft nose. The horse nickered softly, as if it were saying hello. Ildiko giggled, no longer afraid of the big animal. As the sun began to set, painting the sky orange and purple, the map gave one last gentle hum. Ildiko and Bence were back in their cozy room. They were tired, but their hearts were full of the beautiful sights and sounds of Hungary. They knew it was a journey they would never forget.